Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to close your business account in Wise. So first of all, I want you guys to go ahead and open your application if you are using it on phone. So if you are using iOS, just go to App Store and open your application from there. Just type in Wise. And if you are using Android, go to Google Play and open your application from there. After that, just log into your existing account. So now if you are using PC just like I am, just go to your browser and go to this URL section, search for Wise. So here we go and click on wise.com, which is the first one that appears for us. Now, if your account is business and you want to delete it, and first of all, it is pretty simple. But first, let me show you how to make your business account first. So click on get started. And then let's go, and here you can create your business account. So you just choose whatever country you want, and for example, UK, for example, Ukraine or whatever. And here put your information, I'm store trader, etc., etc. Continue, and then you put like other city and then something like that, and everything must be correct, and then your account will be created. Now let's say that you wanted to delete it. How you can do that, which is a pretty simple thing. You just have to go ahead to the home page and then go to the top right corner, which is over here. Then you click on it and click on the settings. Now the settings will open for us. So what you'll have to do is you have email settings, notification connected account, language settings, change password, and all much more options. So what we're gonna do is go all the way down, close your account, click here, and then click on continue. So let's click on continue, and then this page will open for us. Basically here you just have to choose whatever reason you want. So you just have to choose a random one and then click on close account, and your account shall be closed by the end of that. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.